Hey everybody, Bam Bam here at MarineMax on a 2025 19-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. This is an incredibly large boat for its size. We're going to go through some stuff today, show you a few features of this thing, and then you need to come by here and check it out. First, we're going to start with the power plant. It's got a Mercury 150 on the back. Great engine for this boat, lots of power. You've got removable backrests that make nice, comfortable seating, but then free up rod holders if you're going to be out fishing for the day and you're not cruising around. You got some extra rod holder space. Check out this live well right here at the helm seat. It's fully insulated too, so you can use it as a cooler if you're just needing some extra cooler drink space. We're going to show you that large Yeti cooler that's up at the front too. The helm seat is adjustable, the backrest, so we can sit here, face to the aft if you're fishing. It also makes a nice backrest here at this helm, kind of like a leaning post. You've got enough room here to put in a 10-inch display. We've got a nice JL audio system with 4 speakers in here, which really boom in this boat. It's pre-wired for a trolling motor as well. Nice and easy to get you going on the water if you're fishing. Let's check out the front of the boat here, where we've got more rod holders in this backrest. A nice big Yeti cooler, which also makes up a seat here facing forward. And then check this fish box right here. The cool thing about a Boston Whaler, being that it's completely foam filled, this is all solid. There's nothing hollow. You've got foam around all the sides. This holds ice just like that Yeti cooler will. You won't believe that. Then you got an anchor locker up here at the bow. Great place for your dock lines, fenders, anchor kit as well. Trolling motor panel, bimini top to keep the sun off your bald head so you don't burn. Come by and check this boat out at MarineMax in Jacksonville. Give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.